I touched something spongy.
Yeah, it's
a tree.
It's moss.
1, 2,
3. Wait, don't fall like you did last time. Oh, it's recording. All right. We are on our way to, what is it called?
Soda Springs Trails in Cascadia.
Soda Spring Trails in Cascadia. Yeah.
Girls hike.
I wish Dad was here. I would have more fun.
I love going dirtbike riding with my daddy.
Montana's. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Hello everyone, welcome to Larson Troops. My name is Katie and today we are going to be hiking at
Soda Springs Trails at Cascadia State Park.
And it is currently just me, my mom, and my sister.
Girls trip!
And my dad is actually up at the cabin. If you guys want to see that video, it's down here.
It's in the other things.
Yeah, it's linked cabin. So if you guys want to go see that. All right, let's go hiking. You didn't say that. All right. So the waterfall and the river water comes to this, and this is what they're, this is an old drinking source or whatever it's called. So, pretty cool.
Yeah, it gets better. Ah! Ah! I'm gonna have to hose these off.
Did you see that move?
Yeah, I got that move. So, according to history, there are, I'm going to say the word wrong, something graphic, polyggraphic? No. All right, here's the correct information. According to the Oregon Encyclopedia, the cave is a spiritual location where indigenous peoples would gather their spirit power to fish for salmon. Dozens of petroglyphs represent significant events in the lives of the ancestors, including bear claw marks that indicate that the shelter is a place of bear power.
Watch this.
Hold on to the...
Go, go, go!
Don't push me! Hold on, I got a problem here. Fudge stickles! How am I gonna get across this?
Use that stick over there.
Mom, you're gonna fall.
Or just walk right through it.
I can't, look it! This is like the floor is lava.
Wait. We should be on the show.
Isn't this just like floor is lava?
Don't slip and fall. You're going to the lava.
Oh my god. I feel like I need an overhang to like...
I need to hold on to something.
Also, it's still muddy. Nobody...
Oh, what? Mom, where are you going?
I was trying to get out of here. Katie, don't do that. Stand up. Stand up. Come on.
Okay, ready? Ready? Come on, Abby.
Oh my god. Okay.
1, 2, 3, and go. Go, Mom, go. It's okay, your shoes are meant for this.
Oh! I've lost my stick. Damn it. Girls, get up. Get up, come on.
So, hold me, hold me.
No, you can't hold backwards, you gotta hold forwards.
Oh no, okay.
Screw it, we're headed back. My socks get wet, they get wet. Had quite an adventure because we got lost at the beginning and then we found our way. We ran into a lot of mud, but we found the caves. We didn't get to really, they didn't have any of the, what do you call it?
The words.
Hieroglyphics.
Hieroglyphics. We couldn't find any of that because the moss is all over it, but it was a good adventure.
I'm tired. But thank you guys so much for watching our YouTube video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye!